G'day guys, we've got a quick one here using scalar products to find the acute angle between two vectors. Now we've got our scalar product formula here which requires us to do the dot product, which I've highlighted, and also find the magnitude of both vectors. We're going to do that so we can find the cosine of that acute angle, and after that we can then use the inverse cos to find the actual angle between the vectors. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the dot product between these two vectors u and v. So we'll start by going u dot v. Now I like to use column vectors. I find it makes me make less mistakes. Now I'm going to use column vectors because it helps me make less mistakes when I'm actually doing the addition. So we have negative 2, 1, 1, dot 0, 4, negative 3. Fantastic. Now the actual dot product between these two vectors will be negative 2 times 0 plus 1 times 4 plus 1 times negative 3. So we have 0 plus 4 minus 3 equals 1. Fantastic. Now I'm going to work out the magnitude of vectors u and vector v. So we'll start with the vector u. So the magnitude of u is going to be the square root of negative 2 squared plus 1 squared plus 1 squared, which is equal to the square root of 6. And the magnitude of v is equal to the square root of 0 squared plus 4 squared plus negative 3 squared, which is the same as 16 plus 9, or the square root of 25, which is equal to 5. So from here, guys, what I can do is put everything together and say that the cosine of the angle that we're looking for is equal to the dot product, which was 1, divided by the product of those two magnitudes, or 5 root 6, which I can then rearrange this using the inverse of cosine to work out my angle. And that gives me an angle of 85. So you can do this question quite quickly on your class pad as well. Between the two vectors. To do this particular question, you can go action, vector, angle, and you type in the two vectors that you would like the angle between. So in this case, our first vector is going to be negative 2, comma 1, 1. And our second vector is 0, 4, negative 3. So when we hit the button, we can get the exact acute angle between the two vectors. So thanks for watching the video, guys. If it helped, give it a thumbs up. Alternatively, if you'd like to see any other vector-style mathematics questions explained, or any other mathematics questions for that matter, please drop them in the comments section below. But apart from that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.